Good morning. Today's news begins with tragic events from Tanzania. Heavy rains and landslides have killed at least 65 people. Homes, roads, and bridges have been destroyed in this East African country, complicating ongoing rescue efforts. Prime Minister Kassim Majaliwa informed on Tuesday that at least 65 people have died due to landslides and flooding triggered by intense rainfall in northern Tanzania. This revises the earlier death toll of 68 reported by regional officials. Torrential downpours over the weekend swept away vehicles and caused buildings to collapse in the town of Katesh, located 300 kilometers north of the capital, Dodoma. During the ongoing search, two more bodies were found, bringing the death toll to 65, said Prime Minister Majaliwa. Television broadcasts show debris from houses, including furniture, scattered on streets. Key roads, power lines, and communication networks have been disrupted. From around 5 in the morning on Sunday, I heard loud bangs outside the house. When we tried to escape, it was too late as mud, trees, and stones were rolling down from the mountain, said a man named James, who lost his wife and daughter in the disaster. Government spokesperson Moper Matani reports that about 5,600 people have been displaced by the landslides. Rashid Ntandu, 24, lost his house in the disaster and found shelter in a school in Katesh, which has been converted into a refuge center. I believe there are more bodies covered by mud, he said.